So here we have the Hawthorne 4.3, 3-car, 2,460 square feet, and is typical in all of our single story. You'll have 2 bedrooms up front, nice wide foyer. So 2 bedrooms up front with a shared bath. Bedroom number 2. And then you'll have laundry here with a nice walk-in closet. And then this goes into your 3-car garage. This plan really opens up. You do have a designated dining area with a lot of light, a lot of natural light. Corner pantry. And then your 3rd bedroom will have its own bathroom. Nice walk-in closet. And then covered lanai is very private. There is an option to screen that in. Then the master bedroom. You have a tray ceiling. 2 walk-in closets, hers and hers. And then, of course, bathroom. Hope this helps.